It's your man Alex, and yes, you read the title of this video correctly. Over 95% of my disgusting fungus and dandruff-ridden skin issues are literally gone. And if you're anything like me, within only 2 to 3 days, you'll start to see immediate results by utilizing these two extremely simple and life-changing adjustments that I'll be sharing in this video. Before we get into them, I want to show you why I'm worth listening to. All my life, I've suffered from dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. I'm currently 30 years old, so it's been a long time dealing with this, never feeling confident enough to wear black shirts or even comfortable recording my own self-haircut videos. I was diagnosed about 10 years ago by a local dermatologist in New Jersey. She told me I have a common, chronic, reoccurring inflammatory skin disease known as seborrheic dermatitis, a non-contagious condition that causes red, itchy, scaly patches on your skin and affects areas rich in oil glands like the face, chest, and skin folds. All of this directly matched what I had been dealing with my entire life. The problem is, seborrheic dermatitis comes and goes. One week your skin looks relatively okay, and out of nowhere it flares up and looks awful. I also noticed my symptoms were heavily affected by stress, fatigue, and weather. When I lived in New Jersey, the cold absolutely destroyed my skin. It dried everything out and made my dandruff go crazy. Then in my mid-20s, around 24 to 25, my family moved to South Florida, where it's hot and humid most of the year, and that brought a whole new set of problems. Humidity sounds harmless, but it can actually be brutal for your skin. It prevents sweat from evaporating, which leads to clogged pores, excess oil, breakouts, and increased bacterial and fungal growth. It also slows down your skin's natural exfoliation, causing buildup of dead skin. On top of that, pollution and dirt can stick to the moisture in the air and cling to your skin. All of this stacks up and creates the perfect environment for skin and scalp issues. Now here's where things get important. Seborrheic dermatitis is believed to be an immune-mediated inflammatory reaction to an overgrowth of malassezia. Basically, your immune system reacting to too much yeast in your body. Yeast naturally exists on your skin, but when there's too much of it, that's when the problems start. So with my backstory and a little science out of the way, let's start unraveling these layers and get into the first of the two major adjustments I made to transform my skin from dry, red, itchy, and irritated to clean, healthy, and smooth. The first adjustment may not be easy, but it's necessary. A few years ago, I decided to cut out every single yeast-related food from my diet completely just to see what would happen. That meant removing ultra-processed breads, pastries, alcohol, and anything made with cheap, store-bought flour loaded with preservatives and seed oils. I also cut out foods like pasta, pizza, bagels, crackers, and similar products. On top of that, I removed mushrooms and potatoes because while they don't contain active yeast, they can still promote yeast growth in the body. Yeast is enemy number one. So now that layer number one is removed, it's time to remove another. I also eliminated all processed and added sugars from my diet. And I know, that's the part where you probably want to click off the video because it sounds like I'm saying you can't eat anything. But stay with me. When you really start reading ingredient labels, you realize most of what's in grocery stores isn't real food. Real food is simple. It comes from the ground or from animals. But most snacks, drinks, and packaged foods are loaded with added sugar. Candies, sodas, cereals, energy drinks, even your favorite iced coffee are packed with insane amounts of sugar that destroy your gut health, which directly impacts your immune system. Added sugar is enemy number two. And here's why that matters. Yeast is alive, and like anything alive, it needs food to survive. So what does yeast feed on? Sugar. So when you're consuming all of this added sugar, you're literally feeding the very thing that's causing the problem. If your gut health controls a massive portion of your overall health, then getting that under control should be the foundation. before relying on shampoos and creams that never seem to work long term. Now let's talk about the third layer. Seed oils are enemy number 3. Yes, the same oils most people cook with every day. The problem is these oils are highly processed and extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation in the body and worsen skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Oils like vegetable, canola, sunflower, and palm oil are heavily refined and stripped down to the point where they barely resemble real food. Instead of using seed oils, I switched to grass-fed butter and beef tallow, which is much more stable under high heat when used for cooking. So when you look at the big picture, yeast, added sugar, and seed oils, these are 3 major contributors to inflammation, poor gut health, and ultimately these skin issues many of us are dealing with. And the best part, fixing this doesn't just help your skin, it can also improve your overall physical and mental health too. Now I'll go deeper into my full diet in another video, but in short, I focus on whole, single ingredient foods, mostly animal based. Meats like beef, steak, and lamb, along with eggs, Greek yogurt, fruits, honey, and a few clean carbs like plantains. Simple, real food. So now that we've removed those layers, let's get into the second adjustment, because this is where things really changed for me. The second adjustment was the accidental creation of a moisturizing balm. I've been cutting my own hair for over 17 years, and I've used a lot of terrible products. Most are loaded with chemicals that do more harm than good. So in August of 2025, I created my own hair healthy products using only 6 all-natural ingredients. Then one day, I randomly put one of them, organic cream, on my face just to see what would happen. And it actually worked. The dryness and redness started to go away, leaving my skin visibly more hydrated. But it wasn't perfect. The rosemary oil was too strong for facial use and didn't have skin benefits like it did for your hair, so I went back and started refining the formula. I researched better ingredients, added jojoba oil, lavender oil, and frankincense oil, and focused on creating something specifically for skin. After months of testing, I finally landed on the right formula. In early 2026, within just 1 week of using the moisturizing balm, I started seeing major improvements. And after about 2 months of daily use, my skin didn't even look like mine anymore. It was smooth, clear, and completely under control, something I had never experienced in my life. So I finalized the product and launched Organobalm on April 1st, 2026. And the reason it works so well comes down to the ingredients. Most of them have anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antimicrobial, antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-aging properties, exactly what you need to support conditions like seborrheic dermatitis. It's lightweight, easy to apply, and lasts all day. I use it in the morning and wash it off at night, which means it's working on my skin for over 10 hours a day, far longer than any shampoo or face wash ever could. I apply a thin layer daily all over my face, neck, and scalp, and even then, 1 jar lasts about 30 days for me. Today, the skin issues I struggled with for over 30 years are 95% under control, and I honestly never thought I'd be able to say that. I'm incredibly grateful to God for guiding me to this solution, and I'm grateful to be able to share it with others who are going through the same thing. And I also want to thank you, and even the people who left negative comments over the years, because without that, I might not have pushed this hard for so long to find a real answer. Thank you for taking the time to hear my story. I truly hope this was valuable to you and encourages you to try these 2 adjustments for yourself. If you want to check out Organobalm, you can find the link at the top of the description. I also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's 0 risk if you want to try it out. Let me know in the comments what video you'd like to see next, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Thank you again, God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.